right, friends, this was a really hard one. This is a stash or destash video, and I have a ton of projects, and I'm having such a hard time letting these products go. So one of these items is a stash. I'll be keeping it. It was really hard to get rid of this stuff. The problem, of course, being is that I just don't have the time or space to use products very often again. And so I'm going to talk real quick about the stash. So this one is a stash. These are all from Neat and Tangled, including a September. I am going to be getting rid of a September, which cannot be found unless you bought it during September. So it's a rare one, and I love it actually. But I had used it before. I used it again for these cards, and so I'm going to say goodbye. But this one I love. First of all, he can be used, or she, my bear, can be used for birthday or for other sort of winter things. It doesn't have to be Christmas, okay? So, and I love the bear. So when you cut the bear out, it cuts out these portions for the hands, and you can have him holding things, and I love him. So I am keeping him. He is my stash. He is my ride or die. I think the front to and from are missing out of it anyway, because I think I have it on a block. So anyway, I'm keeping it. The other thing that I use, that I debated whether I was going to keep it or not, and what I discovered with this Oh Christmas Tree, this is a stamp and stencil, plus I purchased the die, and it was, I think, a kit. And this little bird that I have never used still to this day. But what I discovered is it really makes a great tree background that you can use for a lot of scenes. So, not that it was ever, I had debated, I got to do some stuff with my tailor specials. I have too much. So these were stash. Now the D-stash are going to be these ones. These are all Neat and Tangled. Neat and Tangled, sadly to say, close their doors. And I don't know if they retired or if it was economical. I don't know. Could be either one of those reasons. But it does make me sad because they had some really cute, product, and maybe the competition was too much. But this was the September stamp and the dies. And then Santa's Wonderland. And the other reason why I'm saying goodbye to these ones is because I have a lot of Christmas. And I mean, I only need so much Christmas, Anyway, and the dies, and then this cutie pie, and the dies, the bunny slopes, which is not Christmas, but I also have some cute bunnies from Laughlin, so I don't know, it's just, what are you gonna do? And then this one is not necessarily Christmas, even though the sentiment is Christmas. It could be, well, a little bit. The Yeti could be not Christmas. So anyway, called the Great Yeti, and it has the dice. So let's get into the cards because I love them. They're freaking amazing. So first of all, I had some backgrounds already. So let me pull those. Well, there's a lot of them. Forget it. I had some backgrounds already. I'll just get into it. So these cards, are a mishmash. I'm not going to go into what card goes with what. And this is obviously the Great Yeti, but I used this background from Tailored Expressions, a bunch of foiled, they have backgrounds that you could foil, and I purchased those, and I think this one is from Tailored Expressions. It could be from Pink and Maine. It's hard to say, but anyway, I had a bunch of them in my scrap pile, so whenever I have extras of something, I stamp something extra, I color something extra, it goes into a pile of extras that sometimes I go through and use to make cards. Once a year I try to go through it all and clean it all out. So I used up all of these backgrounds that I had already made, and they were perfect for these cards. So here's this one right here, so you can get an idea. I love this one. I think it's really cute. So you get an idea of what you can make. Here's the scene that I use that tree for. I love that. And then I did a couple of tags with the bear that I'm going to keep. But aren't those cute? And I used, I couldn't quite get to cut of the die, that tag die, which is a very old CC Designs die that I love. It's my absolute favorite die. However, I just kind of made it work. So this one is a little wonky. It doesn't quite match up to this one, but it's okay because it's still really cute. So there's that. And then here it is. See how cute this guy is? So yeah, him I'm keeping because, so he's a stash. And I love how this card came out. I think it's adorable. And then here we have our bunny skiing over, doing like a ski jump over the cute little puppy with the antlers. I love how that one came out. Yeah, I had all of these already made, so that was amazing. Here is the Simon Says stamp September Neat and Tangled stamp set. I think it's really cute. And then these are some simple, really simple cards with some background paper from scrapbook.com that I gotten as a freebie. So I got to use it sitting out on my desk. So just super simple, isn't that cute? Cards. And, you know, these are just such fun stamps and dies. So all of them, but this one is going to be in my Destash. And is that freaking bear? I love him. So, and I've always loved him. So if you ever, I mean, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I have made cards with him before. And I do love him. So anyway, all of this can be found in my Destash, minus that one. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the cards. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crank the Heart.